Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. It's the weekend and I have so many things that I need to get done. I try not to deep clean on the weekend because I want to spend my weekend hanging out with my family or just doing me, you know what I mean? So I do that throughout the week. So I'm just going to be handling a lot of random tasks today. I recently got a new car that needs cleaned out. The flowers on the front are turning brown, so we definitely want to pull those up. And I stay on top of these weeds on my patio because I don't want it getting out of hand, so I want to make sure I get those pulled as well. In today's video, I will be using Super Clean products and of course, Kim's Magic Concoction. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. I'm Kim with a 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒, and I love doing videos pertaining to home life. Be sure to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button as well. He does not want me pulling weeds, y'all. He's like, pay attention to me, okay? This is my homie Simba. He's my neighbor's dog, and he is such an amazing dog, y'all. He's 4 months old, weighs about 45 pounds, and is very observant. He loves our family, and we absolutely love him. We take walks with him and just hang out with him and give him little treats as well. So he's always here hanging out with us and just having a good old time. My burning bush is finally changing colors. I'm excited about that. These hydrangeas are beautiful. And I only have one little rose stem. Okay, ladies, here's your favorite internet husband. Everyone loves when my husband is in the videos, and I am not above pimping him out, okay? Make sure you tell your mama, your auntie, and your grandma. That way I can get some more views.
Even though your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line.
Well, birds, thank you for all you've done. But the wildflowers were dying, and then my other flowers never grew in because the wildflowers took over. Right here I planted some peonies and they never grew. And then my bush needs a haircut. She over here thriving and surviving. To elaborate on the bird situation, if you have not seen my shorts video about my flower garden, just know that the birds love me because they were all taking poops in my flower garden, planting their little seeds with their poop, and all of these wildflowers came out of nowhere, preventing my other flowers that I actually planted from growing, which was fine because they were pretty and there's always next year, right? But if you have the birds on your side, you know you're doing something right in life. I'm just saying.
Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me, 'cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy. Nothing wanna place your dreams, but you got me, 'cause you're old to die. Yeah.
Let me know in the comments how you conserve your bulbs through the winter time. So what I've read online is to like wrap it in foil and put it in a plastic bag. That's what I typically do every year, and I never have a problem with anything coming back that I'm pulling up. So yeah, you'll have to let me know. How are all of you doing? What have you been up to? What are you watching and reading? Because y'all know your girl loves to read, and I love watching TV as well. But I read this quote the other day by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., and it said, "No work is insignificant. All labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence." Oh, tell me those words all put together are not amazing. It really just reminds me of just speaking life into yourself and just working on your self-care journey and just helping yourself, being a better person. None of the work that you're putting in is insignificant. You're your best and your brightest and your most valuable investment. Definitely invest in yourself, love on yourself, and do the right thing no matter who is watching. It looks real good. I recently had a major breakup with Nissan and I switched over to Honda. Okay, when I tell you it's like mourning a death, it really is, because your girl has had a Nissan Maxima for years, okay? This was actually my second Maxima. So the night that I got the car, I cleaned it out, and then I just realized that there was some oil, looked like anyway, around the sunroof. So I definitely cleaned that off with the Super Clean, and it works so well. You can use Super Clean for nearly anything. I also use it on my sneakers because your girl ain't trying to walk around in no dusty sneakers. That is just not my jam, okay? Super Clean is sold in stores. They are not paying me to say this. I've actually been using Super Clean for the last 4 years. They were the first company that reached out to me on YouTube and asked me to review their product. I'm thankful for the relationship, and their products really do work well. So check them out. Like if you have any type of auto store in your area, a Meijer, anything like that, definitely check out Super Clean.
It was so exhausting, so I lasted, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you
Y'all know I can't be walking around here in no dusty shoes. And then Karya's cheer shoes look good too. But yeah, Super Clean works for so many different things. I purchased this car on a Thursday night and I wiped it down pretty good, but today, the day that I'm actually filming this, is a Saturday, and I just really want to give it a deep clean, cleaning the windows and everything like that. And we all know I have a little bit of OCD because it is a used car. It's a 2019. So I definitely want to get that handled. While I'm filming this, it's very early in the morning. I'm an early riser. We normally get up about 6 on the weekend. I do my workout. So I've already done all of that. It hasn't gotten too hot yet, but it's getting hot enough to the point where I'm like, okay, after this, I'm going in the house. But I do have this contraption that I'm using to clean the window off with. It's always linked below in my description box. I do get a lot of questions about it. It really works very, very, very well. When it comes to cleaning products and cleaning contraptions and things that make your life easier when you clean, I'm definitely going to steer you in the right direction. I'm going to keep it 100 with you. Anything that makes things easier for you to clean with, definitely use them.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at 0. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope. No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at 0, will it ever stop? I'm only human. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? Oh, one bad decision, I'm running out of rope. Oh, I'm only human. Oh, how am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope. I'm running out of rope. Yeah. How am I supposed to cope? It was only one bad decision. Yeah. I'm running out of rope.
If your home is anything like mine, you might live in a dust bucket. Do you see all this dust? And the crazy thing about it is, I am constantly wiping things, so I'm not really sure why dust just keeps accumulating out of nowhere. Obviously, it's through the vents, but you know what I'm saying. Let me know below in the comments if you wash your clothes prior to wearing them. So my daughter is a cheerleader and I'm about to hand wash her cheer uniform because you're not supposed to put it in the washer. And let's be real, Kim does not do laundry. I'm allergic to it. It's against my religion. Whatever you want to say, whatever excuse you want to come up with, it's great. So I'm going to get this handled, and I'm also going to strip the pillows as well because I got some new pillows and I want to save these for guests because at the end of the day, these pillows are like 3 months old. They just didn't work for me. So I had to get new ones, but you definitely want to clean them before you allow your guests or anyone else to sleep on them.
Let go.
So as you can see, today I'm identifying as a washer and I'm doing the same thing that the washer does. You can see all of the dust and the dirt that's coming off of this uniform that has never ever been worn before, but it's because it's been in a factory or wherever they got it from. You want to do that a couple times. You want to rinse in between. So like let the water out, rinse it off, do it all over again. I did it a total of 3 times just so that I didn't see any more dirt or anything like that coming off the uniform. Just like you don't want to wash these, you also don't want to put them in the dryer. Definitely hang dry them, and I'm just hanging them from my shower area. I don't know. Oh, shower head, that's what it's called. Y'all know I be forgetting words. It's the best way to do it. That way it's not getting wrinkled or anything like that, and it's just hanging straight. I just allowed it to dry for about 24 hours. I'm doing the same thing with the pillows that I did with the cheer uniform.
Side while you tumble way below the waves, undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to.
I'm realizing I didn't hit record when I cleaned the mirrors in the bathroom. They're clean. Also, I cleaned out the bathtub again since there was like, dirty clothes in the bathtub that I was washing. And now I'm just gonna get this floor together with my Shark vac mop. I love this thing. Can you believe that my air conditioner is not working? I took it back to the dealership. They said that there was nothing wrong with it. It just simply needed some Freon. So my husband is going into the AutoZone to get some Freon. When I tell you he made 7 trips in and out, he legit did, and I filmed it all. Here's some advice for you. Anytime you go to AutoZone to purchase products, whatever you're buying, don't trust what they necessarily say behind the counter. Do your own research before you go. My husband told them, based off of what my wife found online, I don't think this is the correct product that you're giving to me. So he took it back. He comes back out. It's still not working. He went back in, still not working, comes back out, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Eventually, they gave us the correct product, and then they didn't even charge us because y'all know y'all did us wrong. And you know what? Everything always works out in my favor. I just want to say that, and I need you to say that too. And of all days to do that when it's 98 degrees outside, all of y'all are sitting here decorating for fall, and the summer had a trick for you. We have had 95 plus days all week. It has been utterly disrespectful. At any rate, I do appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to hit subscribe, show the like button some love, and don't forget to tell your mom, grandma, and auntie that my husband was in the video so I can get some more views. Y'all know I'm serious. Next time you go to the AutoZone or any other store for that matter, do something nice for a stranger. Hold the door open for them. Say hello, how are you doing? Simple things like that. You never know what people are going through, and any act of kindness is always appreciated from everyone, really, you know?
I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh.
Are you frustrated?